And Steph, people always say this, best friend. You're my best friend. You're my rock. You're everything. I could not imagine a better partner, a better mom, a better person to be by my side through all of this. Ups and downs, everything. One word, forever.
Thank you to the man of my dreams, Paul Triple H Levesque. You are my soulmate, you are my hero, and you are the man of my dreams. And for the record, you flirted with me first.